If you're a beginner looking to dive into the world of houseplants, you're in the right place. Today we're exploring the best indoor plants to get you started on your plant parenting journey. Meet your new best plant buddy, Pothos. If you're just starting your indoor garden, this is the plant that will cheer you on every step of the way. Why do so many plant lovers adore Pothos? For starters, it's almost impossible to mess up. Pothos thrives in low light, and honestly, it seems to love a little neglect. Forgetful waterers rejoice. Here's a pro tip. Only water when the top inch of soil feels dry. Easy, right? And if you skip a watering, no sweat. Pothos will still be there looking lush and happy. Think of Pothos as that reliable friend who always brightens your day. It asks for so little but gives back so much. Fresh air, beauty, and a pop of green wherever you need it. Have you ever seen those gorgeous trailing vines? Pothos can turn any boring shelf into a mini jungle. Imagine draping a pothos from a high shelf and watching its emerald tendrils cascade down. Instant style upgrade. Did you know? Each heart-shaped leaf is unique with its own splashy patterns. It's like having living art in your home. And here's the best part. Pothos totally gets that life gets busy. Ever forget to water your plants? We all do. Pothos will forgive you every time. Even if the soil dries out, this plant keeps on thriving. That's why it's perfect for anyone still learning the ropes of plant care. Just give it a little love now and then. Check the soil, give it a drink, and watch it grow. A simple touch to the soil is all it takes to keep your pothos happy. As those vines get longer and more vibrant, you'll feel like a true plant parent. Isn't it amazing to watch something you care for grow and thrive? Pothos teaches us patience, forgiveness, and the pure joy of bringing a little nature indoors. So why not invite a pothos into your home today? You'll be amazed at how much happiness this easygoing friend can bring. Ready to start your plant journey? Let's talk about a true crowd pleaser, the spider plant. Who here loves the idea of growing new plants from your own? This one's for you. Not only is it air purifying and fast growing, but it's famous for producing tons of adorable baby spiderettes you can share or replant. Have you ever tried propagating one? Here's a quick tip. Spider plants thrive in bright, indirect light and love a weekly watering. Who else waters on a schedule? There's something magical about the spider plant's quiet strength and the way it multiplies happiness with every new offshoot. It truly embodies generosity, always giving, always growing. Those little spiderettes, they're like tiny gifts, just waiting to be shared. Don't they look like playful children hanging from their parent? Let me know if you've ever spotted one ready to snip. Watching these little ones sprout is such a delight. Who else gets excited seeing new growth? Each new shoot is proof of the life and energy your spider plant brings to your space. These baby plants are bursting with potential, and they're the perfect way to share the joy of plant parenthood. Who would you gift a spiderette to? Imagine snipping off a spiderette. Have you tried it? It's such a satisfying feeling. The delicate stem between your fingers, ready to start a new plant journey. You're not just dividing a plant, you're spreading happiness. Who's with me? Pass along these little plantlets to friends and family, and watch the joy of nature ripple outwards. Who would love to receive one from you? And did you know? The spider plant is also a champion air purifier for your home. Its long, slender leaves work hard to keep your air fresh and clean. Imagine breathing easier, thanks to your thriving spider plant. Who else loves that fresh feeling? Taking care of a spider plant is like nurturing a playful, generous friend. It loves basking in bright, indirect light. Do you have a favorite sunny spot for yours? Just like a child soaking up the sun, it thrives with a little warmth. And don't forget, regular watering keeps it happy. How do you remember to water your plants? A weekly drink is all it needs to flourish. With its abundance of baby plants and air-purifying powers, the spider plant reminds us that joy grows when we share it. Who's ready to spread some green happiness? So why not welcome a spider plant into your home? Embrace its generous spirit, and let's grow together. Next up, meet the snake plant, what I like to call the resilient soul of the indoor garden. This plant is a true survivor. It thrives in low light, barely needs water, and shrugs off drought like it's no big deal. Here's a pro tip. Just water it every 2 to 3 weeks. That's it. So if you ever forget about your plants, don't worry. The snake plant's got your back. Its tall, upright leaves reach for the sky, showing off a spirit that refuses to give up. Even in tough conditions, this plant stands strong. An everyday reminder of quiet strength and determination. Picture it in the wild, braving dry air and harsh sunlight, yet still looking amazing. Its sword-like leaves, decorated with bold patterns, seem to tell stories of survival and overcoming the odds. The snake plant gets it. Life gets busy, and sometimes we forget things. But it never holds a grudge. It just waits patiently, always ready to bounce back when you remember it. Try running your fingers along its sturdy leaves. You'll feel just how tough and steady it is. Each leaf radiates calm and confidence, a little reminder to stay cool under pressure. Like us, it finds strength in quiet moments. The snake plant flourishes in low light, never needing to be in the spotlight. It shows us that real growth often happens in the background during peaceful, reflective times. With its quiet strength and ability to thrive on little, the snake plant proves that sometimes less really is more. So go ahead, bring a snake plant into your home and let it inspire you to face life's ups and downs with grace and resilience. Meet the ZZ plant, your new best friend for easy, rewarding indoor gardening. This plant just keeps on giving no matter what. Why do beginners love it? It's super low maintenance, has those stunning glossy leaves, and it thrives even in low light. Pro tip: water it only when the soil is dry. The ZZ plant stores water in its roots, so it's practically drought-proof. With its sleek, modern look and confident vibe, the ZZ plant is the definition of independence. It's all about self-sufficiency, minimal care, maximum reward. You get lush, air-purifying leaves in return. Picture yourself running your fingers over its smooth, waxy leaves, each one shining like a polished gem in your home. These vibrant leaves prove you don't need to be a plant expert to have a thriving, beautiful plant. Just like someone who loves their independence, the ZZ plant enjoys its own space and a little peace and quiet. No need for constant attention or fuss. It quietly gets on with growing and thriving all on its own. The ZZ plant is a master of self-reliance, reminding us that it's perfectly okay to take care of ourselves and enjoy our own company. Its ability to thrive in low light is proof of its strength and adaptability. No need for constant sunshine. This plant flourishes with what it has. It draws energy from within, finding ways to thrive even when conditions aren't perfect. Taking care of a ZZ plant is all about trusting its natural resilience. In fact, it actually prefers a little neglect. Leave it alone, and it'll reward you more than if you fuss over it. The ZZ plant's independent streak and easygoing nature are a reminder that sometimes the best thing we can do is let ourselves and our plants just be. So go ahead, welcome a ZZ plant into your home, and let its calm, independent spirit inspire you to grow your own confidence as a gardener. Up next, meet the peace lily, your new serene companion and a true superstar for any indoor garden. Why do we love it? This plant instantly elevates any space with its graceful look, purifies your air, and even gives you a friendly nudge when it's thirsty by letting its leaves droop. Here's a pro tip: keep the soil moist, but not soggy, and place it where it can soak up medium to low light. It thrives in cozy corners. The peace lily's stunning white blooms look like little flags of calm, and it truly lives up to its peaceful name. Just having one nearby brings a wave of serenity and elegance to your home, gently reminding you to slow down, take a deep breath, and find your own moments of peace in the middle of a busy day. Picture yourself gazing at its lush, dark green leaves, each one unfurling with the elegance of a dancer taking the stage. The deep green leaves and crisp white blooms create a striking harmony, filling your space with a sense of balance and unity, and reminding us how everything in nature is beautifully connected. But there's more. The peace lily is like a silent superhero, working around the clock to clean your air and filter out toxins, making your home fresher and healthier with every breath you take. One of the coolest things about the peace lily is how it talks to you. No green thumb required. When it's thirsty, it'll let you know right away by drooping its leaves in the most dramatic yet graceful way, almost like it's taking a bow after a performance. It's a sweet reminder that even in silence, there's a way to connect, a gentle language of needs and care. With its calming energy and air-purifying magic, the peace lily reminds us that real peace starts within, but grows even stronger when we connect with nature. So go ahead, invite a peace lily into your home, and let its soothing presence fill your days with calm and joy. Until next time, keep nurturing your little green world. Subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks, and follow us on social media for daily plant inspiration. Happy gardening!